Let's create native popovers in under 90 seconds. You don't need libraries, modern browsers support popovers natively. Here's what we're building. Click the button, and the popover appears. First, create a button on click of which we'll show the pop-up. Next, create an element to be shown as pop-up and mention its id as shown. To convert the pop-up element to an actual pop-up, add a popover attribute to the div element. And finally add the popover target attribute to the button element with value info. This will trigger the pop-up element on button click. You can style up the pop-up as required. Here I have styled it up using style.css file. To control the pop-up programmatically, you can make use of showPopover method. Last, let's see how to add a close button to the pop-up. Inside your div you can add a button with popover target as info and popover target action as hide. This will trigger the close hide pop-up action on close button click. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to like and share the video. For other such videos, subscribe to the channel.